Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare, and welcome back to Work With Me Wednesday. You know I love it when you join me in the lab, but today we're in the kitchen, so you know that means it is a DIY kind of day. And today I have a berry tasty smoothie for your skin. So come on back and let's give our skin a treat. Today, we are making this berry delicious smoothie because it is skin friendly. Now, what I mean by it skin friendly is that berries are full of polyphenols. And polyphenols are micronutrients that occur naturally in plants. They are powerful antioxidants. And as you know, antioxidant is one of my favorite words when it comes to natural skincare. Antioxidants prevent and or reverse damage in your cells caused by aging, the environment, your lifestyle. But not only are berries high in polyphenols, but they are low in calories, they're high in vitamin C and fiber, and also the banana that we added has polyphenols as well as the kale. Now, why polyphenols are so important to your skin is that they provide your skin photo protection from exposure to UV solar radiation, which can lead to harmful skin issues. So that is why I like to use berries in my smoothie, and I'm showing you how to do this berry delicious smoothie to naturally help protect your skin from UV rays. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for joining me today at Work With Me Wednesday. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And if this video was shared to you, sign up for our newsletter. The information is below so that you will get these videos and more each week to your inbox. And I would like to give a special shout out to Colin. Thank you for watching. Thank you again, and I will see you next week. This is delicious. Oh, I wish you could taste it. But let me know in the comments, if you make this, how did yours taste?